Are you tired of clicking around SEMrush's position tracking without finding the insights you need? Learn the exact clicks to see your ranking changes in under 2 minutes. We'll start by accessing the position tracking tool, then walk through each key section to review targets, devices, and keyword changes. Start by going to the Position Tracking tool, which is the keyword rank tracker. Then click on All Targets to see all your tracked keywords. Now click on AI Search to filter for AI-related keywords. Finally, click on SEO to narrow it down to SEO-specific terms. Next, click on All Targets again to reset the filter. Then click on a specific project to review its details. Now click on Device and Location to check performance by device and location. Click on the Highlight feature to see changes. Then click on Diff to compare different periods. Now click on Improved Keywords to see which keywords went up. And click on Declined Keywords to see which ones dropped. Click on All Keywords to view the full list. Then click on Updated to see the most recent changes. Now, click on the date range July 3rd through 10, 2026 to adjust the time period. Click on Create SEO Project to start a new project. Then click on See Plans and Prices to view available plans. Finally, click on Upgrade Your to upgrade your account. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.